All right, we are recording
Okay.
2:01.
All right. So today is September 10th, the special meeting of the Tax Abatement Committee. Our agenda is, hopefully you have all gotten a copy of the agenda. Does anyone have any issues with the agenda?
Nope.
If not, if I could get a motion to approve the agenda.
Motion.
Debbie? Mike's second.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, all those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. It's unanimous. Okay, and then the minutes from our August 13th special meeting. Does anyone have any additions or corrections to those minutes? Seeing none, if I could get a motion to approve those minutes.
So moved.
That's Ann, second.
Hey.
Mike, all those in favor?
Aye.
Aye, it's unanimous. Okay, thank you.
Somebody's trying to come in. Hold on, this must be Scott.
Hey, guys.
Hey,
Is that Scott?
It's Scott, and apologies, I'm not on video. Just something was wrong with the Zoom stuff, so figured I'd dial in instead of being way late.
Okay.
that was me yesterday. Couldn't get video. We got audio, but no video. So anyway, okay. So you missed the excitement, Scott. We're now moving on to the general part of the meeting and talking about the tax abatement approval. It's a review and approval of tax abatement for Avalon, New Canaan, located 100 Lakeview Avenue. This tax abatement would be contingent on the successful transfer to the property of the property to New Canaan Housing Authority, as per Connecticut General Statute 8-215 and the New Canaan Town Code Chapter 57-18. So, I guess, does anyone have any questions? I think, just so everyone's aware, we currently, as of the last assessment, we're receiving $535,336.98 in taxes, property taxes from Avalon, based on the projections of I have it here. Based on the projections that I received the other day, obviously it's a pro forma, so we don't know, but we could be getting about 401,000. Is that correct, Scott? Here it is. I'm like, where's the colored one? Yeah, 401,000, 402,000 in taxes. So we would lose approximately 135,000 in annual tax revenue, although that would, all things being equal, if they improve their revenues, that variance will get smaller, but we'll still have a reduced income, but it could be a great opportunity for affordable housing in the community. So does anyone have any questions or concerns or about, yes, Sebi?
The address should be 106. That's the
Oh.
legal address.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
The
you.
previous paperwork I had was all 100, so it's 106?
That's what we have.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's what's on the
Yeah.
tax.
Okay.
Okay, so we will change that to 106. Any other questions, comments?
No, I think it makes sense.
Okay, all right, so if there are no other
Maybe
questions.
one question, sorry, Deanna, this would go into effect when? If this transaction happens and then this is prorated as of the date of the transaction or at January 1st?
I think for ease, it would be for the January and the June, right? I mean, we wouldn't,
This would be
Sell
for
it?
the date of the sale.
as of the date of the
And all
sale.
sales are done, all prorations on it from taxable to exempt are done from the date of the sale.
That's what I was,
Transfer.
Okay. Okay, so once the transaction is closed, so they've already paid the June tax. So it would be in January, for the January assessment, you would prorate for, if the transaction closed on October 1, you would prorate October, November, and December.
No.
No, I was
No.
gonna say, I knew you were going to go with that
Okay,
one.
so that's good.
The date.
Good question, Todd. Very good question.
The assessment day is October 1st.
Okay,
So the only proration, if they were to transfer the property today, the only proration would be just from today to
Oh.
September 30th
Okay,
because October 1.
is the new year.
the grand list.
Right.
Okay, so then, so if the transaction closed on October 1, then they would be eligible in the January payment for the new assessed value because, no.
No, July.
It's
July, so the
July.
October 1st is,
Nothing changes, so nothing changes until July, the July 1 payment? So this-
Correct.
Okay, okay, so there's no impact to the taxes for this current fiscal year. is what I'm-
Fiscal year.
Correct.
Okay,
It's October 1st. So October 1st is the new year.
Right.
When it
Okay.
starts, but gets billed in July.
Okay, okay. Okay,
but it's not gonna happen before October
Correct.
1st. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I was just
Yeah.
thinking if it happened beforehand, there would be a
so
slight.
there's no
Maybe a couple
impact to the.
days.
Yeah, it wouldn't be
So There's
major.
no impact to the
The January,
January
no. The January bill is just the other half.
of the
Yeah.
other
The
side.
previous
Oh, it's just
23.
allowing
And
taxpayers.
September 30th.
It's a courtesy to taxpayers.
Okay.
Not a, okay. Okay, got it. All right. All right, any
July
other
25.
question? Good question. Any other question? Okay, so that's good. It's not going to impact.
Yeah.
We don't have any issues for this year.
Right.
Okay, if there are no further questions, I'm just gonna, because I had the wrong address, I'm just gonna read
Yeah.
this really quickly again. If I could get a motion to approve tax abatement for Avalon, New Canaan, located at 106 Lakeview Avenue. This approval is contingent on the successful transfer of the property to the New Canaan Housing Authority. And I don't need to
Yeah.
say.
I'll make the motion.
And do I have a second?
Second.
And you know, I'd rather have Todd.
Yep, that's fine.
Sorry, Todd. You're
I
second.
had we can go to the videotape, but I think I had my hand up before. Ann.
I take it back. I take it back.
Oh, yeah, but,
No,
okay.
I'm good.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. It's unanimous. Okay. And then could I get a motion to
Hey,
adjourn? Oh, do you have any, Mike, did you want to say
Actually,
something?
what-
Oh, Scott.
sorry, Scott, has one lightning quick thing. First off, thank you. Second off, I'm just realizing that the property is going to be transferred into a single purpose entity, LLC, wholly owned by the housing authority. So it will be, it is passing into our control, but I don't know whether or not that one technical aspect is important or not important.
Of course, we have a lawyer in the room now, right?
That
You
may be
said a
second
single-
question. I'm not sure it matters actually, but
If it's wholly
Yeah,
owned.
it's- I mean,
if it's wholly owned.
it's a single purpose and it's wholly owned by Hank. So therefore, I think that we meet that legal definition that you just said.
I think it does.
yeah.
Oh, we got we got a lawyer on the line.
Not that kind of lawyer, but
It matters.
Right.
The submission of that.
Well, I can amend my motion for the
Yeah.
approval
Yeah.
to include the single purpose LLC wholly owned by the housing authority.
Okay. And then Todd, are you willing to second that?
Yes, I absolutely get opinion on that. That's totally fine, of course. Yep.
Okay. All right. All those in favor?
All right.
It's unanimous. Okay. Any other questions or comments before I ask for adjourn? Could I get a motion to adjourn? Debbie, Mike, second. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. It's
Thank you,
unanimous.
everybody.
Thank you,
Talk
guys.
to you all later. Thanks all.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right.